Diving?
Yes, sir.
The water is very calm, man.
Calm?
Yeah, very calm.
Awesome.
All the way up.
Good.
Yeah, man. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
A serious day, huh?
That's right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, the water is beautiful today. Beautiful. These balloon wheels make this a lot easier. Oh yeah, this is what I want. This is awesome. What a fantastic day. Beautiful day. Good morning, everybody. Beautiful day out on the water. Water's crystal clear. Oh my gosh. Can't ask for a better day. So, goal today, get some lobsters, maybe spear some fish, come back, and we're going to cook up some lobster Reubens. I feel like doing a lobster Reuben today. Rye bread. Oh crap, I forgot the rye bread. Anyways, cook up some lobster Reubens and see how we do. It's such a beautiful morning. Hey, got one person in here. Hey, welcome. Oh, goodbye.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me sick!
This is the life right here. South Florida. All right. So we're gonna start getting ready here. Got my lobster gauge. 2 hair ties. You don't need a retractable thing. Look at this. This is ridiculous. This belly. You can tell that I'm happily married by my belly. Ooh, crap. Ah! Oh, cramp. Holy crap. Now we're just east of the reef here, so we gotta come back over top. Hey guys, we're back at the house. Great day of lobstering. We got our limit, 6 lobsters. You know, it's middle of February, so there's still a lot of lobsters out there. I tell you, I saw maybe 2 or 3 times, you know, my one-man limit. So get out there, they're still out there. Today we're going to do, like I said, lobster Reuben. We're going to also use Swiss cheese, some pineapple chunks, and just some good old coleslaw from Publix. Alright, so these lobsters are still alive, still fresh. Okay. So let's get the pan hot. Let's add a little bit of oil. I use grapeseed oil. I'll cook up this guy here. Sorry, my dude.
Stop! You're hurting him!
No, that's just air escaping. They can't feel anything.
Now we gotta let the lobster rest for a little bit because the meat will actually stick to the shell. So we're gonna let it rest. Like he's still kicking. Can't get any fresher than that. Alright. We're just gonna cut down the middle. sometimes what I'll do is I'll run my finger along the inside, stick something down there to kind of detach it from the shell. It's going to get chopped up anyways because I'm making a Reuben. Butterfly this one. I'm just gonna season with salt and pepper. Same thing here. Woo. Nice glop of butter on there. Back into the pan. Lobster first. You can never have too much lobster. No such thing. Okay. Coleslaw. Check. Coleslaw. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Pineapple. Want a little bit more. Want more pineapple. Check. Thousand Island dressing. Nope, just get the other one on there. Oh, yes. Yes. Check. Swiss cheese. This is looking really good. This is going to be the best one yet. The best one yet. Let's look at the undercarriage. Almost there. I don't want any flop. No flop. We don't like soggy Reubens. Oh, sweet, sweet Debbie. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look.
God, it's so good. So good. So good and tasty.
Feels like the very first time. Someone's knocking on my door. I can't explain to you how good this is. This is phenomenal. Like, this is like easy $20-$30 sandwich at a restaurant. Oh, I'm full now.
I'm going to throw up. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Don't throw up.
So good. All right. Well, that's it.